Prime Minister Modi calls us the can-do generation.
Can-do generation.
But what if I told you we are actually the most lost generation in history? If you are between the age 13 and 28, this video will reveal uncomfortable truths about our generation that no one talks about. Stay till the end, you will never see Gen Z the same way again. Here's what the data reveals. 42% of Gen Z suffers from depression and hopelessness. Suicide rates have jumped 27% since 2016. But here's the twist, this isn't just coincidence. There's one specific event that changed everything, and it happened in September 2016. Before I reveal what that was, let me paint you a picture of life before 2016. Remember when friendships meant meeting in person, not Instagram DMs. When people called you to play cricket, not join a PUBG squad. When home cooked food was enough and genuine connections mattered more than likes. Back then, fights happened, but they lead to stronger bonds, not blocked contacts. Relationships had depth. Mental peace was normal, not luxury. Then everything changed in one moment. September 5th, 2016, Jio launched free unlimited internet.
Starting coming Monday, the 5th of September 2016, Jio's data, voice, video, and the full bouquet will be available for everyone. Absolutely free.
Sounds amazing, right? Wrong. This single event rewired an entire generation's brain. Overnight, we went from careful megabyte usage to unlimited scrolling. People climbed water tanks just to get signal. But here's what nobody saw coming. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube suddenly available 24/7. Then TikTok exploded in 2018, introducing something deadly. 8-second dopamine hits. Our brains got rewired for instant gratification. Everyone became obsessed with one thing, going viral. People humiliated themselves, bullied others, anything for likes. Sounds familiar? Then COVID hit. We were already addicted, but lockdown made it worse. Unlimited time plus unlimited internet equal to mental health disaster. We started doom scrolling, comparing our lives to highlight reels, pushing ourselves into self-doubt. Our attention spans shrunk to 8 seconds, and yes, 8 seconds, less than a goldfish. I will be honest, I made TikTok videos too. When I got banned, I felt lost. If you are watching this, you probably did the same. We all fell for it. Today's reality check. More than half of you watching this feel aimless. You will anxious about your identity, your future, your purpose. We will become a generation that finds addiction cool, that cannot make decisions, that's physically and mentally weaker than our parents. We are living without purpose, chasing digital validation instead of real achievement. But here's the thing, recognizing the problem is the first step to solving it. We are the can-do generation, but only if we choose to break free from this digital prison. It starts with awareness. It starts with you and me. If this video opened your eyes, like it, share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's start a conversation about reclaiming our generation. What's your biggest struggle as a Gen Z? Drop it in the comments. Let's support each other in breaking free from this cycle. Subscribe if you want to be part of the change, not just another statistic. See you in the next video. Bye bye.